Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it's been a wet evening. Things quieting down a little bit in spots, but more rain on the way overnight tonight. Another 12, 14, maybe 15 hours of rainfall. Then things will be quieting down. And we got a good-looking Friday and part of Saturday ahead before rain chances return on Sunday. So let's take a look at the big picture across the lower 48. We have a double-barreled upper-level low-pressure system, one up across the nation's midsection. That's enhancing snowfall up across the Midwest. They've gotten a series of snowfalls up there. It's been a typical winter. It is January after all. And then another one farther to the south that's been enhancing rain chances across our region. And a weak area of low pressure that is now developing over by southeast Texas. That's going to be scooting eastward overnight tonight. Now the rain has stopped in Lafayette at least briefly, but more patchy stuff on the way. And you can see that big rain shield pushing off to the east and a little bit of a break, but we do have more activity off to the north into the northwestern part of the state. It's going to be a wet one across Rapides Parish up through Natchitoches. And then as we move the map and take a look back farther south and east here, and you can see the rainfall across southeast Texas, this scattered activity heading this way later on tonight and should blossom out a little bit more. So instead of light to moderate steady rains, we're going to see more scattered activity, but more convective in nature. That means some heavier downpours and maybe even a rumble of thunder. And that's the way it's going to go as we get to 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. On and off showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, especially along the coast and near this area of low pressure, certainly offshore. And this low traverses much of Acadiana. In fact, it'll be right over Lafayette by lunchtime tomorrow and then be pushing off to the east. And as it moves to the east, we'll see lingering clouds and some sprinkly light rains that we're not showing you right here, but we'll have a little bit of that until the low gets a little bit farther to the east and our winds come out of the northwest and drier air moves in and helps to erode that cloud cover as we head toward Friday morning. Cooling back down after a mild one tomorrow afternoon, and then moving into Friday, a mostly sunny and pleasant day. Nice breeze out of the west-northwest, and temperatures right where they should be this time of year. So as we take a look at the latest rainfall estimates, these look pretty realistic. Expect another ½ inch to an inch of rain most spots. A few isolated areas may pick up 1 to 2 inches of rain. This is the RPM model. We take a look at the high-resolution rapid refresh model, and pretty much the same story. A few more spots on this model catching an inch or two, and that's probably a pretty good bet, but not expecting any flooding nor any severe weather. So tonight, temperatures actually rise through tomorrow morning into the mid-50s. We get into the upper 60s tomorrow afternoon, but as quickly as we warm up, we're back down into the 40s, low to mid-40s tomorrow night, and then going into Friday, we'll see temperatures in the lower to mid-60s. So pretty good looking forecast beyond tomorrow, especially the morning. That's when we're going to see our highest rain chances, and then those rain chances diminishing as we head into the afternoon. And as mentioned, Friday looking good, Saturday looking good. Clouds though on the increase, and Sunday I've raised the rain chance. We'll see probably some steady rains at some point, especially Sunday morning. And then next week looks to be a hodgepodge of January weather with temperatures up and down and rain chances up and down, but no definitive storm system that we see on the horizon right now.
Okay, good. Thanks, Rob.